Yo, what's going on? It's Miguel, aka SalesFunnelGod, and I have a quick video for you that could potentially change up your life, change up your business, no matter what it is that you're going to do. It's very simple. It came from a book, and it is a phenomenon known as the 80-20 rule. What is the 80-20 rule? In short, it is the 20% of what you're doing that is the cause of 80% of the results that are happening in your life. For the most part, we all tend to focus on the 80% that contributes to the 20% that doesn't really matter. But if you look at this phenomenon, if you read this book, no matter what, you will notice that it's always 20% of the actions that you take that give you 80% of your results. So for me, that became Sales Funnels. That's why I changed my Instagram handle to SalesFunnelGod. As long as I'm the one that is known for that, then I will continue to get the 80% of the results that I want. For majority of people's businesses, for influencers, the 20% that they could constantly do is build their following, because as long as their following is increasing, they're going to constantly get more money in. Everyone is under the impression, and I mean, like historically speaking, this is most likely going to happen. Everyone believes that there's going to be this huge market crash coming up soon. Historically, it happens every 7 years. We are 10 years into a bear market. I forget the terminology. Basically, the market is continuously going up, and this is the longest that it's ever happened. So all financial people are predicting that the market is going to start shooting down very, very soon. So what can we all do in order to ensure our success? Well, obviously the first thing would be to save as much money as possible. All the people who are crazy rich nowadays are the ones who took advantage of the last financial crash. They all saved up their money, and the second the stock market crashed, everyone was freaking out because, oh my God, recession. No, there's no fucking money. All the people who saved up their money were starting to buy real estate for super, super cheap. Everyone was they were all buying people's businesses for pennies on the dollar. And the second the market started going back up, because it eventually has to go back up, there's no way it's going to stay down. Once the market started going back up, they were able to sell all of these assets that they were collecting for super cheap, for much more expensive. And think about it now. The market has been going up for around 10 to 11 years now. So think about that. All these businesses that they bought, all this real estate that they bought has been going up in value for the past 10 years. So they've been their money has been increasing for the past 10 years exponentially. How do you fully take advantage of this 80-20 rule? Figure out the 20% that you need to start doing in order to get the most results possible. What is it that you can do in this exact moment that is going to equate to the most results? This is where the whole work smarter instead of harder aspect comes into play. Should you be spending most of your time studying? Should you be spending most of your time working under a mentor? Should you be spending most of your time keeping your clients happy? What is it that you should be doing that is going to get you the most results possible? Focus majority of your attention on that. Spend 80% of your time focusing on that 20%. That other 20% of your time is what you're going to use in order to basically handle everything else that's going on in either your life or your business. So if you're a social media influencer and you make the most amount of your money from one aspect of your business, then that is what you are going to spend 80% of your time in. That 20% inside of your business is what you're going to spend 80% of your time in. I hope this was helpful. If you liked it, I would like you to hit the subscribe button below. Comment below anything it is that you would like to learn on this channel. Once again, thank you for watching, and peace.